For changing the speed of your clips, you can simply click in this icon, control speed. As you can see, we have an range selector here, and these two icons, you can click and drag it for changing speed in a specific part of your clip. Or if you click and dragging and move them at the first and the end of the clip, you can change the speed of entire clip. You can increase or decrease the amount of the speed. For example, I increase the amount of speed because the clip is more faster. Of course, its length becomes shorter. As you can see, our clip are very fast now. Or you can reduce the speed because of the reduction. As you can see, we have a more long clip. Or you can type any number. If you want to back to default, type 100% and everything is in a previous speed. And for example, I want to change the speed of this part. You can click and drag or select the range from here. It's very simple. And I want to make it slower. And this part will be more longer. As you can see, we are going. And now we are going more slower there. Or you can, for example, make it faster if you want. We are going. And suddenly we are fasting. But if you want to make a fall off, you can activate a ramp. As you can see, the ramp will be created here and will be a ramp. We are going smoothly. You can change the amount of the ramp. As you can see, with a more smooth and the fall off from default speed, we are going to the fastest speed, and it is more better. Okay, so use a ramp with a large amount of second. For maintain audio pitch, we need a clip that has a sound on it. As you can see, this is a default sound. Everything is correct. But if we increase the speed of the clip, we have this effect. This effect is happen when we increase of speed of clips. Okay, for correcting that issues, for correcting that issues, you can activate maintain audio pitch and correct that issues. As you can see, it's better. But if you want, you can mute that if you want, or delete that sound. But the maintain audio pitch correct that issues when we increase the speed of our clip. Okay. And if you want to bring your clip back, go into entire 100% and deactivate that. Clip, close that. Go into here, go into entire section, make it back to 100, deactivate ramp, turn it off, finish. And we are in a default speed. Okay, this is changing a speed. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.